Straight Talk organization accounts are a great way to keep track of all Straight Talk user accounts that belong to employees of your organization, as well as all the teams that are created. As an organization administrator within the account, you have a special admin dashboard which allows you to manage the user accounts and teams placed under the organization account. From your Straight Talk homepage, click the admin link in the upper right corner to access the admin dashboard. Here you will see the list of all users within your organization account, including their current number of connections, current number of teams created, and the last time they logged in. On the left is your admin navigation pane, allowing you to switch between viewing the list of users and the list of teams within your organization account. On the Teams screen, you will see the list of teams that have been created by users within the organization account, including each team name, team description, when the team was created, and the last date the team was updated. When you click on one of the team names, you will see the team information, including the team owner and a list of the team members. You will also have the ability to create a sub-team from this screen by simply clicking the Create Sub-Team button, entering the sub-team name and description, then clicking Save. On the user's screen, you will see an icon of an arrow pointing into a window. Clicking this icon allows you to log into the user's account to help troubleshoot issues and manage teams. Click the account link in the upper right corner to access the user's account information, then click Manage Account. On this screen, you can change the user's name, choose to make their email address visible to other users, or change their password. Make sure you click the Update button to save any changes you make. Click the Manage Teams tab to access their teams. Click the team name to access the team settings. Only the team owner can access the team settings. Here you will see options to invite people to this team, rename the team, organize the team members, change the team owner, and delete the team. You will also have the option to create sub-teams, and will see a list of the team members. When you click on the Organize Members button, you will be able to remove and add members to the team. Uncheck the box next to a person's name to remove them, and check the box next to a person's name to add them. Click the Save button to save your changes. To assign a new owner to the team, click the Change Owner button from the Team Settings page. Click the downward arrow to open the drop-down menu and select a different team member as the new owner, then click Change Owner to save that change. Once you are done in this user's account, simply click the Logout link in the upper right corner to log out of this user's account and be brought back to your admin dashboard. To exit the admin dashboard and get back to your own user account, click the Home button in the upper right corner. Click the Contact button in the upper right at any time to contact the site administrator for assistance.